Hello, my wonderful students. Very good afternoon to everyone. So, today we are going to see class 2 mathematics, chapter number 7. The lesson name is Rani's Gift. Okay. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the measurements, the sizes, the root, all those things. Okay. The heavier, the lighter object, all those things. All right. So, let's quickly go into this lesson. And those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and continue. All right. So Rani's gift. Once upon a time, Raja Jagadeep wanted to make a beautiful carved bed for his queen. He called his best carpenter from the town. So look at this picture. The king, he's ordering a beautiful carved bed for his queen. And what he's telling, I want a bed which is 10 handspan long. So, what is a handspan? So, let me show you a handspan. Give me 1 minute. So, look at this image. So, this image is one handspan. So, this is one handspan. So, like this, the king wanted to order 10 handspan. Okay, so like this 10 times. So, this is one time, and he wants 10 times like this. All right. So, what he's telling, I want a bed which is 10 handspans long. Okay, Maharaja, the carpenter replied. The carpenter has come with his son. So, carpenter and his son is standing in front of the Maharaja. So, the next picture, the carpenter started making the bed. So, the carpenter now starting making the bed and he's thinking about 10 handspan. Next, I am unable to fit in. I'm unable to fit in. So, now the queen, see, she's lying on the bed, but her foot is outside. Look at this image. It is not fitting. So now what the Maharaja is doing, he is counting. He's counting the hand using the handspan. 1, 2, 3, and 8. It is only 8 handspan. So Maharaja ordered for 10, but now he can able to count only 10. But how it is possible? But how it is possible? So he's thinking how it is possible. Now the small boy, he is counting using his handspan. He is counting 1, 2, 3, and it is ending up with 14. 14 handspan. So everyone, including the Raja, was confused. So they're confused. Why? Because when Maharaja counted, it was 10, and when carpenter made, it was 8, and when the small boy counted, it was 14. So everyone are confused now about the measurement. So discuss the solution which was given by Mantri to solve this confusion. So Mantri is giving an explanation to solve this issue. Okay. So what's happening exactly? The the hand span is not the same measurement. Okay. For example, if the carpenter is measuring, his handspan might differ from king's handspan. It depends upon the hand size. The small boy, his hand might be little smaller when compared to his dad and Maharaj. That's the reason he is getting 4. And when compared to carpenter and Maharaj, carpenter hand is little smaller. That's the reason he is getting 10. And Maharaja hand is smaller than both carpenter and the small boy. That's why he is getting 8. Okay. So the handspans are not same for everyone. That's the reason the bed that was didn't fit the carpenter, sorry, Maharaja's wife. That is the queen. Okay. So next, use your textbook to measure the length of the following object. So now use your textbook. So we have desk, cardboard, window, and you have to take a scale, a ruler. So you need to measure the size of this desk. So for example, if this is the scale you have, it is like small. divided into centimeters, right? So it always starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. So now you have to measure these objects: desk, blackboard, and window, and you have to write the estimated length. So, estimated length is while looking into the image, there will be an estimated length. For example, if the desk, it can be 3 to centimeter long, but actual length is you have to measure and write the answer. Okay, blackboard, it will be like 15 centimeter long, but you have to measure and write the answer. Same for window as well. Okay, this is your home activity. Do it by yourself, students. It's very easy. All you need a scale to do it. All right. Always keep the scale at the end of the object, which shows 0. You should not keep near the 1. You should keep near the zeros. Next. Kavita is going to the school from her home. She is getting late. Which path should she use to reach the school fast? Mark the picture given below. Okay. So now we have few routes given here. Let's change the color one by one. So first we will take the first route, this one. So you have to take a scale and then measure it. Okay. Measure using the centimeter. So like this. This is the first route. And let me draw the second route. Again, this is the second route. I'm not using the scale, so it is a little difficult for me to draw. Second route. Let me take a green one. So this is a third route. I feel this one is the longest route. So this one is the longest route. So this is not the shortest route. Let me draw the last one. There's another route from here. Directly she can reach the school. This one is the shortest route. This route is the shortest route. Okay. The first route which I draw, which is in blue color, that is also longest when compared to this route. Okay. When you're doing this at home, you take a scale and then measure using the centimeter and find out how much centimeter is coming for all these routes. You can able to identify this centimeter will be lesser. So lesser centimeter is the shortest route. Okay. Next. Choose the longest path from A to B. So choose the longest part from A to B. Which one is the longest part from A to B? So let's count the bend over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 bends like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let's see the next one. So this one has 6 bends. It's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is 8. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10. So this one is the longest. Okay. The third one is the longest path from A to B. Next. Also make a shortest path between A and B. So let's erase all these out. We need to make a shortest path. So longest part is option number C. And let's see, let's draw the shortest path. So shortest path from A to B we can reach like this. 1, 2, 3. Directly we can reach. Okay, so this one is the shortest path. All right. So next, how many blocks? Here we have a girl child, a boy, a monkey, a camel, an elephant, and a giraffe. Okay, and we have three blocks: green color, blue, and yellow. Now, this girl, she's riding on an elephant and she's telling, let me stack the blocks and find the height of my toys. So, she's going to arrange the blocks and find the height of the toys. First, let's count how many blocks are there. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, totally we have 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So based on this, we have given with fill in the blanks. So let's go directly into fill in the blanks. The giraffe is dash blocks tall. So where is the giraffe here? So the giraffe is right here. Okay, so dash blocks tall. So let's count from the bottom. I'm going to write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. 9 blocks tall. So the giraffe is 9 blocks tall. Next, the dash is 7 blocks tall. So the dash is 7 blocks tall. So let's erase this. So where is number 7 here? So number 7 is here. This one. So which animal? We have camel. So camel. Okay. Next, the monkey is dash blocks tall. So the monkey. So the monkey is just 2 blocks tall. So here, number 2. See, 1, 2. So the monkey is just 2 blocks tall. Okay, number 2. Next, the dash is 5 blocks tall. So the dash is 5 blocks tall. Where is 5? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one. So dash is 5 blocks tall. So the elephant is 5 blocks tall. It is now showing number 6. The reason is the elephant is already standing in a top of a block. If you see this image, it is standing on a top of a block. So we have to reduce this. So when you reduce one block, it will come to number 5. So the answer is elephant. Okay, elephant is 5 block tall. The reason behind is he's standing on the top of one block. Okay, next. How long is your hand? Trace your hand in the space given below and count the number of lines. Okay, you have to do this by your own, but let me draw and show you. This one you have to do by your own children. Okay, I'm just drawing a rough image of an hand. Just but do it by yourself. Okay, you have to trace your hand. Okay, this is just a rough image. I'm using a marker to do this, so it will not come that easy, but you have to do your hand to trace this out, okay? And you have to count the lines. So you have to draw from here. Do not start from here, okay? So count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. It's ending up, okay? So this one, do it by your own. Use your hand to trace this, all right? Next, pumpkins chopper. Look at the picture and compare which vegetable are lighter or heavier than other vegetables. Okay. So we need to compare the lighter object and the heavier object. Okay. So what is lighter? So lighter is something very light. It's not heavier when you compare to other object. For example, if you have cotton and if you have pumpkin, cotton is lighter when compared to pumpkin. Okay. So like that. First question. So let's see what vegetables we have first. So we have pumpkin and we have cauliflower, we have capsicum, we have watermelon, and we have potato, radish, and we have carrot, and we have chili here, and we have what else? That's it. Okay. So let's see the first question. I tell you the I tell you I am the most The chili is telling I am the most lighter because when you compare to other vegetables, chili is very small in size and also it is very light. So it is lighter. Ligher. Lighter. Okay. Next. So I am heavier than the bottle ground. So now the pumpkin is telling I am heavier than the bottle ground. So this is the bottle ground. So this one is the bottle ground here. Now the pumpkin is telling I am heavier than the bottle ground. Next, I am heavier than a carrot. Again, the bottle ground is telling I am heavier than a carrot. Okay. I am lighter than a cauliflower. This was given by capsicum. Now, capsicum is telling, I am lighter than a cauliflower. Then, I am dash than pumpkin. So, I am dash than pumpkin. I am heavier or lighter. So, watermelon is bigger in size when you compare to pumpkin. So, I am heavier than pumpkin. Okay. So, next, what do you think, a pumpkin or a watermelon? Discuss. What do you think whether it's a pumpkin or a watermelon? It depends. We need to actually measure in a size. You have to use a measuring tape, and also you need a weighing machine to find which is heavier. To look a size which is bigger or smaller, you need a measuring tape. For to check whether it is heavier or lighter, you need to have a weighing machine to find the answer. Okay. So next, muskmelon is heavier than carrot. Yes, muskmelon is heavier than carrot. Capsicum is lighter than. So capsicum is lighter than chili. Oh no, chili is lighter than capsicum. So capsicum is lighter than, you can write, for watermelon. So watermelon is heavier when compared to capsicum. Next, dash is heavier than dash. So dash is heavier than dash. So pumpkin is heavier than cauliflower. So pumpkin is heavier than cauliflower. Next, dash is lighter than dash. So dash is lighter than dash. You can write chili is lighter than potato. You can write chili is lighter than potato. So chili is lighter than potato. Dash is heaviest of all and dash is lightest of all. You can write either watermelon or pumpkin. So watermelon is the heaviest of all and chili is the lightest of all. Okay. So let me write the answer. You can write watermelon. So watermelon is the heaviest of all and green chili is lightest of all. Okay. So now we have done till this page. And how many pages are left out? We have one, two, three, four, five. Okay, we will do one more page and complete this part one video. Okay. So next, collect a few things from your surroundings, sort out lightest and heaviest among them, arrange all things in an increasing order of their weight. Okay. So now what they are asking to collect the lighter and heavier object. For example, if you're having your lunch bag and your school bag, you can compare whether your lunch bag is heavier or your school bag is heavier. In your lunch bag, you will have your tiffin box, water bottle, lunch towels, and a spoon, right? But in your school bag, you will have lot of books, lot of notebooks, and your pencil box and your geometrical box, everything will be there. So when you compare from your lunch bag to school bag, your school bag will be heavier and your lunch bag will be lighter. So like that, you can compare things. You will have pencil or a rubber or a scale or a pen so that you compare those things. Okay. And here there is a picture of a small weighing machine which is made using a cup. And this is a project. It will be given by your teacher to make and bring it to your school. Okay. You can make this easily. Ask your parents to help. You just need a paper cup, a pencil, and a hanger. Okay. Next. Circle the heaviest one. You need to circle the heaviest one. So first there is a pencil and a notebook and a school bag. Obviously, the school bag is the heaviest one. Then one, two, three, four, five, six oranges and a bucket, a crayon. So six oranges is the heaviest. But if this bucket is filled with water, if the bucket is filled with water, then this bucket will be the heaviest one. Okay. Next. So circle the lightest one. So you have to circle the lightest one. So there is a doll, a gift box, and a eraser. So eraser is the lightest one. The next one we have a ball, a matchbox, an empty matchbox, and a balloon. So a balloon is fully filled with air, which is a very light. So balloon is the lightest one. Okay, when you compare to ball and a matchbox. Okay. So now take the vegetables and fruits. Okay, this we will do in part 2 video. Okay, we will end up this part 1 video because it's already more than 20 minutes. So students, part 2 video will be uploaded very shortly, maybe today. So once this is completed, I'll be sending the worksheet and quiz for practice. And those who have not joined the channel, please join the channel and then request for the worksheet. All right. Till then, take care, be safe. Okay. Bye bye.